What's going on, family? This morning, Black Phoenix checking in. I wanted to say something to my people that's on the grind, man, especially if you're looking forward to being independent or starting your own business. You have to keep one thing in mind, that you are your own alarm clock. You are your own responsibility as far as making sure that you're at whatever contract, whatever job, at least, I would say personally, 10 to 15 minutes early. I like to be there at least 30 minutes, my personal opinion, because I like to drink my coffee and think and get my mind together and come up with my game plan. And believe it or not, 30 minutes fly by fast, especially when you're thinking and you got stuff you got going on, within yourself. So I would say a big plus when you're being independent, starting your business, be on time. Actually be before time. That way, you are letting the people know who you are networking with that you are serious about what you're doing, and that you're so serious about it that you're willing to come early just to map out the situation to help the workload or whatever the situation is be better on you. So keep that in mind, man, when you're networking independently. Black Phoenix, I'm out.